Hi, this is Emilee from Emilee's Paper Caper. My husband is behind the camera today, which is a little bit different because I'm doing an unboxing of a sticker D-stash from Crafty Bean. Jeff, thank you for being my videographer today. Say hi to everybody.
Hi, everybody.
That's a very supportive husband. I don't think he likes this one bit. So this sticker box, it is a medium flat rate USPS box. I paid $50 for it. That included the cost of shipping. And Tina said she would put 120 stickers in here. She thought she may be able to give me a few extras. I have not looked at this yet, so we're gonna have some fun. I'm gonna try to go through pretty quickly, but I thought it would be a lot of fun to unbox this with you. This is a 2-pack 3D gift card holder. That's not a sticker. It must be a bonus item that Tina threw in there. I appreciate that. Christmas stickers from Hallmark. Stickeroni. This is another Hallmark sticker. Chipboard stickers. This looks like they have some dimension to them, a little glitter. These are some beautiful dimensional bird stickers. Love them. This is the Paper Company Studio, and it says Secret Garden Tags and Phrases. It includes rub-ons. So at the front are the tags, and in the back there are some sayings, some rub-ons. There were actually 3 of those. So after I go through all of these, I'll separate out what I definitely want to keep, and then I will take some and share with my scrappy friends, let them pick. This is Stickabilities, and it looks like there are a lot of school-related stickers. Whatever, best friends, high school, boyfriend, best friends, freshman, junior high, say what. So my girls are out of school, but there are probably some of the sayings like love ya and yeah right that I'll still use, and then I may put the rest of the stickers on a free table at a crop. These are fun. Bubble abilities. It says gross, just chillin', look at me, yeah baby. So some fun stickers. They're enamel, kind of an enamel, glossy enamel. Another glossy enamel bubble abilities for road trip phrases. Here are some envelope seals, never been used. Oh wow, these are gorgeous. There's a bunch of these flowers. It looks like you can kind of build some flowers, some butterflies, flowers and dragonflies, flowers and ladybugs. More wow, these are just absolutely beautiful. There are a ton of them. I'm not counting them, but all of them have a little bit of a foil or glitter to them. Here's a slightly used one. This one has some teacups, purple flowers, lots of butterflies. These are all like the same size. I don't know if they came in a book or a pack, but they're absolutely gorgeous. There's a couple of different, with cats. I'll admit, I won't keep the cats. I'm allergic to cats, and I think they're cute, and I know people love cats, but I am not a cat girl. So those will be shared with someone who likes cats. These are beautiful stickers. I'm trying to go through them pretty quickly here because there are a lot of these flower stickers. And they're gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. I love these bees. There's some bees on this one. And these have some tiny bees. I'll be using these a lot. They'll be great for cards and envelope seals. Wow, very vibrant colors, wide variety of flowers. Well, here's some purple flowers. That makes me think of my friend Thelma Hall. She loves purple. I may have to mail those to her for sure. And here are some beautiful sunflowers. My sister Denise loves sunflowers, so I could send those to her. Here's some birds. So now we're transitioning into birds apparently. And they're gorgeous. I love it. Back to some flowers. Wow, I wasn't counting, but that is a wonderful selection of flower stickers. Oh wow, here are some NASCAR racing stickers. We don't do NASCAR, so I will probably share these with someone who does do NASCAR. Those are really cool. They're dimensional. This is a little book of dimensional stickers. Flowers, it says lived for today, good times, and it looks like it was a package. Let's see if I can get them apart so that I can show you. None of these have been used. There's only a few of these sheets that have anything taken from them. Absolutely beautiful. Those are nice. Some sentiments, some baby stickers for It's a Boy. I love doing newborn gifts of little 5x7 and 8x8 albums, so I'll put these in with my stash of baby items. This says contents 2 Christmas, 1 Let It Snow. Those are very nice. Wow, check these out. Those are gorgeous. Large stickers, they're dimensional snowflakes. A couple of these, they're both Christmas. This is beautiful. It's glittery and it's a frame for Christmas with a sleigh. Oh, for the fishermen in your life, 2 fishing poles. They're both they're dimensional. Very cool. Oh boy, there's a huge stack of stickers here. I'm just gonna fan them out to show you. They're wonderful strips, lots of snowmen and different Christmas. Really gorgeous. Here are some enamel stickers, dimensional. There's 2 of them here, dimensional enamel for Christmas. Beautiful hearts. There's actually 3 of them here, hearts, and these are more of those bubble abilities. And then Just Chillin' and Friends. And then this one is Road Trip. We have a couple of It's a Boy baby stickers, and then there are also some more dimensional stickers here. Perfect for those baby albums. These are some more really nice dimensional, and I think I had a pack of these before, so this is a double, which is totally fine with me. Bundle of Joy, It's a Girl stickers. Some more cats. My cameraman may or may not have pointed out, we took a little break in filming, he may or may not have pointed out that I'm also allergic to flowers, but I love flower stickers, so what's the deal with the cats? I don't know. I just am not a cat person. Dimensional. Ooh, these are cool, like rhinestone appliques. Soccer. Bowling. Beach. Toothbrush and toothpaste. This is a beautiful wedding cake. That would be nice for a wedding card. Baby stickers, dimensional. I really like these. This is a backpack. It's a felt sticker for back to school. Some smile faces. Surf's Up. Beautiful dimensional stickers with the pink theme. There's a purse and some frames. This says Queen and Diva. Dimensional stickers. Couple different packs. Got some beach theme items here. These are clear stickers and these are dimensional. I love birthday, and those are some birthday dimensional stickers and some grass. These would be great for making scenes. Ooh, these are cool. We've got some sand dollars and crabs and seahorses and starfish. Wow, these are dimensional shaker stickers. My goodness, I've never seen these before. They're white and they look like they're die cut, very detailed. Here's some for baking. There's a little man stirring a cake mix, very cute. To from New Baby. This is a transparency overlay. Okay, wellness check. I think my videographer is probably getting tired, but we're only halfway through this box, so I'm gonna ask him to endeavor to persevere. And if the videography on this is a little bit weak, we're just gonna say that he doesn't really want this job. He's doing me a big favor here. Oh, we love puzzles, and these are dimensional puzzle pieces. I'll use those for sure. Pretty Valentine's Day hearts. Plenty of birthday, which I love. I've already said that. I can't say it enough. I love making birthday pages and cards. Some cool frames. Ooh, some nice things for my baby album stash. Definitely. There's another one of those fishing poles and more birthday. Wedding. Christmas. Cute animal stickers. Those would be nice for baby albums. Beach. These have fallen a little bit, but it's Happy Easter. Very pretty. More for a wedding. Baby. More baby. Flowers. Flowers, hummingbirds. I love hummingbirds. Really cool bees, dimensional bees and flowers in here. It's another one with a girl theme, pink. Another day at the beach. Boy. Baby, boy. Some duplicates, and that's totally okay with me. Plenty to share. I like to share with friends. This is a pirate themed set. Might use that for our Disney Pirates of the Caribbean. Turtles with Google eyes. Are they Google eyes? No. Turtles, very cute. They have a dimensional to them. Beach. Hot air balloons. Birthday. These are really cute animals, kind of for baby or first birthday. Ooh, some trains. Really cute. Looks like there's a couple, and maybe there's two of them, and maybe duplicates inside there. So plenty of trains. Ocean. Girl fashion. Beach. I think we need to go to the beach so I can use these stickers. What do you think, Jeff? Should we go to the beach for our next vacation? I got a lot of beach stickers.
Let's.
He knew I wasn't gonna stop talking about it until I got a response.
Which beach do you want to go to?
Oh my. Wherever you're taking me. Let's go to 30A. Really fun. Oh my gosh. I have a sticker collapse. Okay. Fun birthday. I love these animals. When we go to the beach, can we also hit the zoo so I can use these stickers too?
Of course. We always go to the zoo.
Good answer. Ooh, this is really pretty. It's a dimensional holiday bells. Oh my, what's this? Stickers. Scratch and sniff. 62 banana scented stickers. Scratch me, it says. It's all bananas and monkeys. I don't have any scratch and sniff. This is new. You know we're gonna get them out and try them. I'll let you know if they actually smell. Let's do it. Bonus content. Keep watching to the end to see if they smell. Let's see. Scratch. I love banana. Maybe you have to scratch pretty hard. I don't smell anything. That's okay though. I love bananas and I will still use these. I've never heard of a scratch and sniff banana scented. I think I got my money's worth. I'm gonna have fun sharing these with friends. Watch Crafty Bean's channel. She's doing more destashes. She purchased a whole ladies' craft room, and as she goes through them, she's finding what she will keep, and then she's sharing in destash. And I think this was well worth the price I paid. I love stickers. I'll be using them, and I'll be sharing them. Keep on scrapping and paper crafting, everyone.